Hey! Yay time! Awesome! Congrats and awesome job, Slimy. Apparently, last time I was like, nobody got last, except people did get last because they redeemed it in the very beginning. So awesome. You might um get last. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Uh my YouTube is not signing in. I don't have caps lock on. Okay, I think no, that's still not. Why is this not playing now? Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. I mean, that is true, Slimy. That is true. Okay, okay, guys. Okay. Hold on. I just realized, do I have my name anywhere? Okay, no, no, no. We're good. We're good. We're good. Time. Python, and then let's turn this off. And then let me see how I have way too much crap on my desk right now. I have so much stuff for my knitting and my other stuff, but okay, let me see. Okay. Who here wants to see me open the first day of my advent calendar? I think that's working. So let's toggle small key, big cam. Okay, who wants to see me open this today? Who wants to see me open it? What am I knitting? Right now I'm knitting mittens for my baby. Right now I'm knitting mittens for my baby. Okay. Should I wait to open or should I just go for it, guys? Should I wait to open or should I just go for it? That is the question. That is the question, right? Also, let's add spice. Oh wait, I do have art. My contacts are so dry right now. I can't see. I honestly don't know what it looks like, so. Aw, thanks so much for the follow, Smash Rod. I appreciate it. I don't have to wait for Turi. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, I'm also gonna be recording on my phone too. So let me see if I have enough room. Oh yeah, I also have my spinning wheel on my desk right now, and yeah, I have way too much stuff on my desk right now. It's a really hot mess. It's a really hot mess, guys. Okay, okay. Autofocus. Turn on the light. Is my document camera off? Is it unplugged? No. Wait, no, because obviously it's working right now. Oh, wait. The. Oh no, is my light not working anymore? I think my document camera's light is no longer working. Oh no. Actually, I don't think it's working. Hold on. Okay. Okay, there. No. Okay. There it goes. Sort of. There we go. Ha ha ha. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. You like all my knitting stuff? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna like push stuff off of my desk in just a second. Okay, guys. Let's make this let's make this fit screen. Fit to. Okay, and then we're gonna actually sorry guys. Obviously this was not planned. This was not planned at all. This was just on a whim. Okay. Okay, guys. So first and foremost, let me okay. We are going and I'm gonna be talking right now. So we're gonna be okay. Yes. An advent calendar. And oh, I know my background thing, the broadcast. Oh, kind of. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna talk to guys. You're gonna open this. It's a puzzle advent calendar. Um, so we're gonna open a puzzle advent calendar I got from my sister-in-law, and so this is what it looks like on the inside. And we're gonna open day one. One is right. I accidentally opened it the other day. That's 9. Hold on. At first. So first, right here. Right there. You guys can't see it. Okay, so we're gonna open this. What we get. And we're gonna okay. And hope that you guys can see it. This is day 1. I know I'm behind. Oh, oops. I just ripped it. Interesting. Okay. Okay, what does it say? I don't think. Okay. So it says first, the right accessory to the corresponding letter labeled on the flap. There's a frame mat set. There's a notebook. Add sparkle to. Oh. Take everything. Like how this is studying. Okay, okay. So it's a step. So use it as a final step to. Box. I have to. Wow, there's a lot in here. Then it comes a notebook. Okay. Cover for the. So let's look through this real quick and find the right accessory corresponding letter A. Yeah. Okay. This is A. Okay. And obviously. A. This is A. All goes. It's some. This is also really like. It's like um added on the. But I missed. Okay. So, hey, took them out. Okay. Oh, that's because I pushed the mic away. I forgot. I forgot. And I pushed the mic away. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you, Pingajin. Okay. I'm missing some pieces. Right? Maybe? Or is it in here? Might actually be in here. No. It is not in here. And it's not in here. I have this. And then, is that better though? And then I have this. So I'm actually missing... And it looks like it's a pretty important thing. I'm actually missing... Trying to center this so you guys can see it. This... Oh, that's too bright. I don't want to stay because you want to go to bed? That's fine. Go to bed. No worries, Pingagen. Okay, I'm missing that. And that seems like it's pretty important. That looks like it's the stand. So I might have to tell my sister-in-law that we're missing pieces. I don't think it fell. It did not fall. Yeah, it didn't fall. Okay. 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 It's okay. You woke. Thanks for doing a 3-stream streak. I appreciate it. Okay. Should I do page 2? Or not page 2, box 2? You guys want to see one more box? Okay. Let's do one more box and then see what they give for this. Okay. So we're going to put all of this stuff back into... We're going to put all of this stuff back into box 1 until we need it. And again, I'm missing pieces. Yeah, I'm definitely missing something. I'm definitely missing something. Okay. But it's okay. It's okay. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Okay. So. We're going to do day 2 now of the advent calendar. Okay. So day 2, it's peace, relax. A puzzle advent calendar. Day 2 is right here. I know you guys can't see it, but I will show you in... Oh, they're little ornaments. These papers are little ornaments. How cute. How cute is that? Okay. So, yeah, this rips out completely and it's a little ornament. How cute is that? So, so, so cute. Okay, I'll show it to you guys after. And then I have... Ooh, interesting. Interesting. So I'm going to do this puzzle really quick. And then... Yeah. And then I'll get to studying. Okay? I'll get to studying after I do this puzzle. But that was day 2. So, you guys want to see me do this, or should I just do it on my own time? Are you guys actually interested in watching me do a puzzle? But no, seriously, I'm curious what happened to the other piece. Hi, Sunil. Oh. I don't know what that means. Puzzle time? Okay, okay, puzzle time. Let me just look this up really quick because I am definitely missing pieces. Huh. Okay, well, I'll have to ask my I'll have to ask my sister-in-law. Okay. So, let's open this up and see what this is all about. So let me see. Am I able to do something like... Will this hold be held up? I don't think... Oh, it might. Oh my gosh. Wait. It might actually be held up. Hold on. Wow, this is an amazing tripod. This is an amazing thing right here. It holds my phone up. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, okay. So let me make sure that you guys can't see the phone. I'm gonna open this. Okay. And yeah, I'm gonna open this really quickly and then... Okay. So we're gonna open this. We're gonna do a puzzle right now. And then I'll eventually get to... And then I'll get to coding. Okay. So, can you guys see? You guys see? Is that better? Oh, but now you guys see your phone. Okay. I'm gonna hit a focus mode too. See you guys soon. See you guys soon, okay? You guys see all that? Yeah, it looks like you guys can see it. Okay, so how does this work? Okay, I'm a little confused how this works. But we will... Okay, let's put this together first. So we have... I think carousel. Oh, this is nice. They're plastic pieces too. The carousel. And no. We should have... We have a whole bunch of little ones right there. This should go here. This should go right here. This needs to go here. Right? No. Just kidding. Just kidding. Oh, there's another piece right here. Okay, so now let's start trying to get the brown thing together. I'm actually a little bit confused. Okay, so these two look like they go together because of the white. Yep. And then there should be something blue. Find... Oh, this one looks kind of like... No. No. The white... This is funny shaped. I think it goes right here. Okay, so this goes here. Okay, so... This goes here, but then... How does this go? So, does this turn? Okay, hold on. Hold on, guys. This is not relaxing. Okay, does this go in first? Okay, hold on. Hold on, guys. Okay, so this looks like... Does not go there. Does it go there? No, does not go there. Huh. Maybe... Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. let's get this solved first, and then we'll figure out where the rest go. This actually does not go together. Just kidding. That doesn't go together. So does this go together? Yeah, these go together. Then this one will probably go not there. Not there. I don't know. I'm confused. Like this? No. Very confused. These pieces are tiny. Okay, so we had figured out that this one goes here, right? So then we have to, so this part is not, so we're not using that part. So now we have to figure out this. Okay, so this and this. Okay, okay. And then now we have red. Okay, so this goes here. Okay. Okay, so we have all of this together now. And then now we have to find this one. Oh, that does not go there. I think it would be this piece. No. No. Yeah. This piece? Maybe? No. Because that doesn't make any sense because this is red. Oh, I guess so. Apparently, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm apparently really, really, really bad at puzzles. So this go on the outside as well. So all of these go on the outside, it looks like. So that goes together. And then we have, that doesn't look like it goes together, but it does. Okay. Just kidding. It does go together. It does go together. And then this is the bottom of a gingerbread. And that goes together as well. And then, so this is part of a circle. This is part of a circle. So these go together. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. See? Okay. You know, it's actually really nerve-wracking doing a puzzle live on stream. There's like a lot of pressure I'm putting on myself to get it right. Okay. So we have this now. Oh, I guess I should what it says, huh? Okay, let's read what it says on the back of it. Okay. On the back of it, it says, pamper yourself. Treat yourself to something special because you deserve it. Scan to reveal full image. Oh, they do give me the image. And scan to reveal image and assembly instruction. So I'm going to scan this really quick. And then we're going to... How is everyone tonight? I am putting together a puzzle for an advent calendar. Magnet puzzle. Okay, so okay. So this goes on the inside. I don't understand why they didn't just put this. I don't understand why they didn't just put this No, that doesn't go there. I'm so confused where this goes. Okay, okay. So, right there. Okay. Okay, so let's keep recording. Okay, so this one goes like this. And then now we're going to... Can I see still? Can I see? Okay. You guys can see. And then we're going to put this together like this. Aw, this is really cute. And it's a little magnet. Okay, wait. This is absolutely adorable. Okay, I really like it. I really, really like it. Here. Make this a sprite. Aw, this is so cute. It says Christmas Carousel, and it's a little little gingerbread man riding a little reindeer, and there's two other little gingerbread man, and then it's supposed to be a magnet on the back. So, okay then. I think that was pretty fun. You guys interested in watching me do... Oops, wrong one. Where's the art one? Okay. Are you guys interested in watching me do more of these? Like, out of curiosity? Would you guys be interested in seeing more of them? I really like this. Okay, but I do have to email them and let them know that I am missing pieces. Okay. So, who's ready for coding now? Who's ready for coding? Really like it though. So cute. Yeah, right? I like it. There are... And it's supposed to have like a giant puzzle at the end too, I think. Now I don't want to code. Now I want to do day 3. Oh wait, where did... Okay, where's day 3 now? Day 3. Now I want to do day 3. But I also want to know where I think... Okay. Okay, guys. And then let's put the wood away. Where did I put the wood thing? Oh no, I just ripped the door. Okay, no. We're gonna keep these off to the side. Add more stuff to my ridiculously messy desk. Okay. No, I really like it. And the pieces are really nice quality. So they're plastic. They're plastic pieces. Okay. So let's see. What am I actually supposed to do? Okay, so I don't remember how to use Jupyter Notebook. I don't remember how to use Jupyter Notebook. But Sunil, I was what do you call it? I don't even know what I was doing at this point. I was doing a puzzle advent calendar. Obviously not coding. Not coding. But that's okay, right? That's okay. Okay. So, task 1. On the Kaggle site, click upper left. Da, 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 da. Click on the plus code. Okay. So, contains names, salaries, Display each data frame. Print the resulting data frame. Let's mute this. Okay, so okay, so it says no. Oops. Hold on. So this would be data 1, data 2, data 3. Okay, and then we're going to run. Right? I really should read up on how to use Kaggle. Really should. Okay, so name error. Data is not defined. Okay, so we're gonna trash this. We're gonna run. Okay, and then we're going to data frame. Part 1. Part 2. Okay, and then oh wait. Hold on. 1. What? Wow. Oh my gosh. Whoops. Frank, Helen. Okay. Is it just comma? Okay, so we're just gonna do display. No. Okay. Oh. Okay, so all of those are displayed. Perfect. And then we want to print, select the name column and print the results for data frame 1. Okay, so print data 1 name. Huh. Okay, fine. Fine. Print. It says to display each one. So I guess I should look in the notes to see if I'm supposed to use display or if I'm supposed to use print. Okay, let's find out. Display each data. Display the results. Okay, no, we're still in the task. Okay, so no. Okay, so the various all parts. So you need to access on one cell from each of the ones following. Okay. Okay, so I imported pandas. Okay, and then select both name and salary. Print data 1 name, comma, salary. And then slice the first 3 rows using iLock method. So selects element at row 0, column 1. Okay, so we want to do slice the first 3 rows and print the results. So gonna do print data 1 dot iLock 0, 2. Key error, name and salary. Oh, wait. What did I do? Double square brackets. Okay. Double square brackets. I was like, I know that there's something. Okay, I just forgot this and this. No. Unhashable type list. Hold on. Hold on. Data frame. Why does this not sound familiar in... Hold on, hold on. Okay, so what does this say? Unhashable type list. Data 1. Oh! Wait. Wait. This is... I didn't make this into a data frame yet. Did I? I did not. I did not. I did not. I did not. I don't think. Okay. Create data frames using the provided sample data. Okay. So I did not change these into data frames yet. Okay, so data frame 1 equals CTD. So it's Panda data frames. Ha ha ha. See? See? Hi, Hanso. Hi. It is a course or a program that teaches you how to be a programmer. Thanks for following, Wildfire. I appreciate it. So basically, they have two tracks. They have web development and they have data engineering. So it's a free program where they give you homework and you have mentor sessions. You can meet one-on-one with mentors who are all volunteers, by the way. So it's, I believe, a nonprofit. It's also backed by Bill Gates Foundation, Red Hat, Lenovo. So right now I'm in Python Essentials, and then next semester I'm going to be doing the Python AI cloud computing, and then lastly it's a small group. It's a practicum where I team up with small group and we build a project. Okay, so data frame into equal. Okay. Okay, trace back. Wait. Oh, it's because I need to run all. I need to run all. Okay. And then now we want to have data frame 1. This would be print. Okay, so oh, okay. So quick question. When they say display the data frame, hold on, where is it? So right here it says display each data frame. That just means I print it, right? Hi Wolfie, how are you? Been a while, it feels like. Also, you guys missed out. You guys missed out on the cutest advent calendar ever. I did a puzzle on stream. And I'm just wondering, how many of you guys want to see more of the advent calendar? Okay. So you use Scala and TypeScript instead of Python. That's interesting because data engineering, isn't that like, doesn't it do a lot with like AI? And isn't Python like AI? Oh, okay. Well, welcome back. Even if it's just for a short while. Glad to have you here. Glad to have you. What's ETL? If you don't mind. These acronyms, I'm getting so like, oh my goodness. There's so many acronyms. There's so many acronyms. Data frame. This is supposed to be data frame 1 and it has to be data frame. Okay. Got it. Okay, so salary. Oh, wait. I did that wrong. iLock. I did that wrong. Okay, iLock is selects the second row. I need to slice this. So it would be 0, 1, 3. Right? Valid syntax. Hold on. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? I'm adding brackets that don't need to be there. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. Hi, Prakriti. How are you? Sounds good. Fun. Sounds good. I agree. I think I learned more doing than actually like just having information thrown at me. Okay. Slice the first 3 rows and print the result. Print the result. Print the result. Okay. Display each data frame. I am going to assume that they want me to print it. Yeah. Although I am curious, does this work? It does not. Okay, does this work? Haha, there we go. Okay. Play. I don't know. I am not a data engineer yet, and I have not got into that. But I do believe the program I'm in does touch base on Azure. Azure. I can't pronounce. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. See? Kind of know what I'm doing, right? Right? Oh, yeah. Okay. Task 2. Again, you create a markdown cell to describe this task and a code cell containing the code for the task. Do this throughout whenever you're doing your homework in the Jupyter notebooks. Okay. Task 2. Then we're going to add code. Then we're going to do part 1. Okay. And then merge into data frame 1-3 merge on the name column. Okay, so this is data frame 1-3 merged equals welcome from States. I appreciate you being here. Okay. Okay, so this is similar to SQL. This is similar to SQL. I feel like merge and okay, so we're gonna do pandas dot merge. This would be data frame 1, data frame 3, comma on name. Oh wait, I guess it would help if I printed it, right? I really don't like how I'm gonna have to look this up if it has a empty data frame. Okay. On inner. Hold on. What did I do here? Okay. Wait. Wait, what? Oh my gosh. I'm on the completely wrong problem anyways. Okay, so we're gonna add a markdown. This is going to be task 3. Okay. And then we're going to do this. Except this one. Merge and... What does how mean? Okay. How. Inner. Hold on. How equals inner. Still empty. Why is it still empty? On ID, on name. Hi, senpai. Welcome in. Okay, anyways, we're going back to... Okay, so again, you create a markdown. Group 1. Group data frame 1 by age and aggregate the salary column. Okay, let's look up aggregate. Okay, just kidding. Apparently... You noticed me there. I noticed you too. Aggregate combining multiple data points. Okay, so... Imagine you have a data frame showing region, product, sales. Sum of each sales. Okay, so I have group data frame 1 by age. Oh, okay. Yeah. Sounds fun. Sounds so much fun. Okay, so I want to group by age. Okay, so I want to group by age. So group by age. Let's find out. Okay, so we're gonna do one by age equals data equals data frame 1 dot group by age. Data frame 1 by age. Pandas. Okay, splitting this into the groups are in one or more. Okay, and then so let's do dot mean? No, Hold on. Okay. This step, unique values in one or more columns. Okay, by, and then sort. Grouping by a single column. Okay, so group by team. Print team first. Group by. Yeah, I'm gonna just say, am I from Osaka? That's a very specific location. Okay, so group by team. Okay, hold on. Wait. Okay, hold on. So, aggregate mean, sum, and count. Display the aggregated results. Okay, so dot aggregate, right. Okay. Then we're gonna do mean, sum, and count. Okay, so we're gonna do mean equals salary, comma, mean. Then we're gonna do sum. I don't like the no space. I don't like the no spaces. Then yeah, that's a lot of information that I am like, okay. Lots of information. Salary sum and then count. There we go. Okay. Am I supposed to print it or display it? Display the aggregated results. Okay. So merge on the name column. Use an outer merge. Okay, so outer how on name. There we go. And then we have favorite color. Okay, so hold on. So age and age. So we want to pandas merge common columns indexes of how missing data resulting from not a number can be managed. Vilna, okay. So I see. Interesting. Okay. How left. It's telling me to do outer. Outer stirs union. Rows without a match on either side will have. Okay, and then what is the error that I'm getting? So runtime error has small values. What? On name. Okay, so left and right's different. Okay, and then play the results. When you do, you'll see some annoying. Is it supposed to be like this? Nope. NumPy has no attribute. Thanks so much for the follow, or is you ow? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Oopsies. Okay, so invalid value encountered. Larger value. Trace back. NumPy has no attribute warnings. Oh. MP, right? No, I have that. Run all. Okay. You might see other warnings and you don't want to miss them. Just ignore these particular warnings. We see the salary column has not a number. Transform this column with the starting salary of 1,500. Okay. So then we're going to do CF13 merge equals Thanks so much for the follow senpai notices. I appreciate you. Hey, Orzu, you might get last because yesterday nobody redeemed last at the very end, and it turned out the person that redeemed it at the very beginning of stream got last. So, okay, value. So this is gonna be data frame 1 3 merged merge dot filna. Then we're gonna have value equals 15,000. I think it said, right? It said 15,000. And then, oh wait, I need to have the merged salary. Hold on. So why is my age not? It's because I merged at the name and not. Okay, so I want to also merge at the age too, right? Okay. Okay. Haha. Okay. So we're gonna do dot filna, and we're gonna do salary is gonna be two, comma, favorite color. That is going to be yellow. Did not work. That did not work, did it? Ah. Okay. Still no. Why did that not work? Where keys are the column names and values are the corresponding fill value. So why did that not work? That should have worked. Right? It's data frame. Oh, what am I doing? It's because I didn't print it, huh? Dang it. Yeah. Okay, so that worked. Okay, perfect. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so that worked, but then this needs to still be. Thanks so much for the follow, Zero. Hi, Time. How's Pocket Watch? That's awesome. I lost it. I lost it on Baby Bunny today. Oh my gosh. No, sorry. I didn't lose it on her. I may have yelled a little bit at her, but she was in such a silly, crazy mood. I don't think it even phased her. I feel really guilty about it. Like I've been thinking about all day. Like I yelled at her this morning and then um yeah, I've been thinking about all day. And then she didn't nap until like 3 and then she didn't want to wake up at 4. But if I didn't wake her up, she wouldn't have gone to sleep. And yeah, it was we're really struggling right now. We're really struggling. It's been a very rough couple of week. It's been a rough couple of but I'm glad that Pocket Watch is asleep. Has he been sleeping better? Favorite color. Now have for some. Hey. Hi, Rama. Hi, Ash. How are you? Not a non? Time, are you working on anything right now? Also, did you see? Wait. Did you see? I did my advent calendar. The first day was just accessories. Second day, look at the cute little puzzle that I did on stream. So this is a little magnet puzzle. And I don't know if you guys can see. So like the pieces are really small. The pieces are really small. They're plastic. So this is a magnet. So it's so cute. It's so cute. And I'm thinking I'm gonna do more days on the stream. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, Bram. Yeah, it's a little small for a coaster, but it's a magnet and yeah, like I might actually do day 3 before the end of the stream. Let's see how far I get because apparently I'm not moving very fast in this assignment and there's 10 things and I'm only on um task 3. Drop. What is the axis? What is the axis though? Axis. Which dimensions? Vertically, horizontally. Okay, so axis 0. Oh. Okay. So axis 0 drops rows. Axis 1 drops columns. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay. Okay. So now we want to drop labels. Drop labels equal page left, right, axis equals 1. I know. Everyone does without spaces. I don't like it without spaces. Axis equals 1, and then in place equals true. And why is this? NumPy has no... Oh. Okay. I guess it would help if I was actually reading my thoughts. Okay. Print. Okay, so this is supposed to be display, right? Right? I think I did display. Did I do display up here? I did display, right? Yeah, okay. We're gonna display. We're gonna just get into the habit of doing display. Because obviously I am not. I think I was supposed to print this one though, but we're gonna find out. We'll find out. Okay. Greater values. Greater values. Yeah. So we have this, but why is my error not going away? It's suppress. Runtime warning. Runtime warning. Is it because I need to have this up top? No. Nope. Supposed to be on the bottom? Where is it supposed to be? Okay. NumPy has no attribute warnings. Okay. How to ignore warnings in... Hi, Turing! Oh. Oh. How are you? Error state. Error warnings. Okay. Import warnings. Filter warnings. Ignore. Okay, so... Ignore. Okay, so that doesn't look right. So am I supposed to import warnings here? And do this. Hey, there we go. There we go. Perfect. That was annoying. Okay, so why does this not work? Yeah, why does that not work? That's what they gave me, but... Oh well. Oh well. Am I... Okay, I'm on task 3. Okay. Display the result. Oh, I guess... Okay. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. Okay, so apparently I'm supposed to display this a bunch of times. Okay. Use the join method. Create a new data frame df1b and df3b from df1 and df3. In these new data frames, set name as the index. Join the data frames with outer join logic and display the result. Do not use in place true. Okay, so join. Okay, so we want to use the join method. Okay, so join. Joining on indices. Okay, create a new data frame from data frame. Set name as the index. So we want data frame 1 and data frame 1b and then data frame so we're gonna do R2 and then we're gonna do data frame 1 b equals data frame 1 dot copy dot set index as name. Okay, and then we're gonna do data frame 3 b equals data frame 3 dot copy dot set index as name. Okay, and then we're gonna join these two with outer join logic. Okay. So data frame 1b. This will become data frame 1b dot join data frame 3b. And how does it want to? It wants us to use outer join. Then this is cow equals outer. Then gonna display F1 ink. Okay, what is this? Return merge, copy, join. Columns overlap, but no suffix specified. Or index base. Okay, so we are with overlapping column. Okay, so that's not it. I want join, not merge. Use join. Okay. Use join. Set index key on. Okay. Did I do that wrong? Probably. Well, obviously I did that wrong. Okay, so then let's do. Oh, wait. Dot that index. Oops. Not what I meant to do. Name. On. So this still has columns overlapped. Gotcha. Oh, thanks so much for subbing on YouTube, Emmanuel. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. Okay. I don't want to use merge. Recommended method. Don't want to use merge. They're not asking me for merge. Okay, so indexed. For overlapping. Hold on. Okay. We're gonna do name, age, salary. Obviously that did not work. Okay, so we want set index. Still no. Still no. Okay. Add overlapping columns. Overlap column left. Overlap column right. Indexed left, right. Oh, wait. Sorry. What am I doing? I didn't do in place. So define okay. The age is overlapping. So I am obviously not doing this correctly, because why is it only showing the data frame 1? A data frame B. Out of curiosity. Okay, so we have this. So that is correct. So that has made the index join and does overlapping. On equals name. How equals outer. Columns overlap. Okay. So how left. So then it's going back to this. There we go. Okay. There we go. It's like, I know how to do this. Check online. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna do task 4. Okay, and then we're code. The task 4. Part 1. Filter rows in DF where age is greater than... Oh, okay. I remember how to do this, sort of. Filter. Dot filter. Filter. Dot filter page. Okay, so it's gonna be data frame 1. Okay, so filter rows. So dot filter items equals age where it should be hold on. Pandas filter specific value is in. Okay, to filter pandas for specific values. Okay, so Boolean for single exact for multiple values is in. Okay, so this seems 30. Does that work? Does that work? Find out. Okay. I don't think that works. But again, we'll find out. Nope. Okay. So we're going to do data frame 1. This. Oh wait, data frame 1. Okay. Filter relevant data for analysis using location. Okay. Not what I wanted. Okay. So I guess, yeah, this is how they want me to do it. Got it. Okay. So sorting data. Sort Data frame 1 by salary in descending order. That would be markdown. This is whoopsies, not what I wanted to do. This would be part 5. Okay, and then this is part 1. Task 5. Part 1. Ooh. I guess I should actually do this, huh? Hold on. Task 1. Ah! Not what I'm trying to do. Task 3. Task 4. What just happened? Oh my gosh. What is going on with my trash? Okay, hold on, guys. What just happened? Okay, no. Still something's going on. Hi, Spidey. Holy moly. My... Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. This thing's like... Oh my god. You. Okay, what happened here? Let's... There we go. Okay. Okay, we're good. We're good. It was... Hi, Spidey. Hi, Blob. How are you guys today? Okay, oh, okay. Excuse me. I was like, excuse me, what happened? Okay. Port. Oops. Not what I meant to do. Code. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna do part 1. We're going to port df1. That's sort values. Oh my gosh. Values. By, and then we're gonna sort values by salary in descending order. Okay. By salary. Okay. Descending equals this. Actually, do I have to? Do I have to display? We're going to display just because it looks like there's something going on. There we go. There we go. Display. Okay, so am I typing with 2 fingers? No, but I'm definitely not typing very well tonight. Okay, data, renaming columns. Rename age to employee age. So frame 1 rename equals part 1. Also, hi Exotic, how are you? Age to employee age and salary to so would be data frame 1 dot rename columns age employee age, right, age salary salary. Oh my gosh. Salary. It's telling me to display, right? Yeah, it's not telling. Hi, Daru. Welcome in. Code the Dream. It is a program that they teach you how to code, and there's a practicum, and they have 2 tracks. They have web development and they have data engineering. I am in the data engineering track right now. Display. Apply transformation. We're gonna see what happens with this. Actually, hold on. Let me read what they want to. Okay. Won't be able to do task 9. Okay, we're gonna not that. Okay. Data transform. I am not Jimmy. I am a full-time mom. So my job is to raise my daughter to the best of my ability. And I have to admit, I am struggling on raising my daughter right now. So this should be data transform. So salary column. So DF1 is part 1. Okay, so we're gonna do DF1 salary equals. Can I do this? Can I do this times point 0.1? Thanks so much for subscribing on YouTube, Daru. I appreciate it. So I've been teaching myself to program for the past 3.5. I don't remember. Basically, I decided I was going to do a career shift. A little background about me: I was a figure skating coach for most of my adult life, including I put myself through college coaching figure, and I was good at it. Okay, I was good at it. And then I moved, and then COVID happened, and then so I got an office job, which sucked the life out of me. And it wasn't because it was an office job. It was because it was monotonous and badly run, micromanaged. Like, and I don't mean micromanaged to the point where the manager was telling me what to do and checking on what I was doing. I mean micromanage that the president of the company, not even my manager, president of my company, was doing things that was in my job description, but he was doing it wrong and creating more work for me. An example is, so system, right? Has inventory, keeps track of inventory and everything like that, keeps track of how much money we're bringing in when we sell it at a certain rate. He So, greatest example was I got so the receipts were in PDFs, right? So he emailed me a PDF of something that he helped me do, right? For his client, right? He was a salesperson, so he did all the stuff and he helped me. And I'm looking at the system and I'm looking at his PDF receipt that he emailed me. Numbers do not match at all. Do not match at all. And I'm just wondering, what? So I email him and he's like, "Oh yeah, like we ended up agreeing on something else, but I had already run it, so I ended up just changing the receipt." I was like, "Wait. So you charged him for something that was not put into the system and you just manually edited the PDF instead of like going into the system to do it correctly and then you pushed it through with the incorrect information?" Because he was again a micro. No, he didn't. He didn't pocket the money. Like he charged. So our credit card system was and our billing system was separate type thing. So he charged what he edited to the the client. But he didn't change it in the system. He just edited the PDF and he sent to accounts payable accounts receivable. He sent the the correct amount. He sent the PDF receipt to the accounts receivable side, which by the way I was also doing, which was also why I was like, wait a second, what? um yeah. So it wasn't that there was anything shady going on. It was just again micromanaging and doing my job but doing it incorrectly. And that was again just one issue. So like another issue, he's telling our broker that, oh yeah, we have full containers and stuff like that, and no, we don't. And then he's making promises, and this was peak COVID. Okay, I don't know if you guys heard about what was going on at the ports, like all the ports across the states, right? Like ports were just a hot mess, and trucking companies like were charging even more and more and more for to transport things. So he's making promises to clients, except then like on my end it's showing as we're making a negative profit, but then he's getting mad and then he's trying to get me to make things work. Another thing is, so we didn't ship full containers for certain things, right? Sometimes we would have full containers, but sometimes we would split the containers depending on the size of the order and depending if we were drop shipping or whatnot, right? So one of the containers that was not fully my our companies had an issue where they had to hold it and they had to like I forget what it was, but it was delayed. He kept promising the client, and then the client was getting mad and he was like on my case, and I was just like, I don't know what you want me to do because I can't break into the container. And he was like getting mad at our broker too, and it was just like yeah, it was not a sketchy company, it was just a family company. So yeah, like I was so depressed. I was so depressed. Like, I'm not even kidding you. It was actually a really bad time. Like, I can talk about it now and I can laugh about it, but I did not want to I felt worthless. I felt like, I mean, I still feel worthless half the days, but like, it's not that I don't want to exist. Like, it was that bad. But I have learned, because here is what happened in my interview. My interview with the company should have been a red flag, right? So I apply for the imports coordinator role. Okay, I apply on the website for the imports coordinator role because I was like, okay, import export, perfect. Like that has a great career path. You know, it's a pretty solid career path. I get there the day of the interview, and the import and the imports manager and the controller are interviewing, right? So the controller, who is also the office manager, straight up tells me, hey, we decided that we're actually going to be changing the position. It's going to be for the accounts payable position. And the imports coordinator was just kind of like, wait, what? He didn't even bother to tell her. Like, why was she sitting? Hey, Cyclops! How are you? It's been a while. So he didn't even think to tell the imports coordinator, who was there to interview for her replacement. That should have been a red flag, right? Should have been a red flag. But no, I was like, I am somebody who is doing a job transition, and like I'm just eager to learn. Accounts payable, also a solid career. So no, I didn't stay in accounts payable. I ended up doing imports because the accounts payable guy that originally was going to switch into the imports role, he was basically like got trained for a year and then decided it was too hard, and I had to figure out how to do that job in a month. Oh, and get this. So the accounts payable guy, oh my god. So we got hacked literally the day that I took over imports coordinator. Our company got ransomwared, right? So our entire system goes down. Entire system. First day of my imports thing. A week later, that accounts payable guy falls for a phishing email scam. Like, I cannot make this up. I cannot make. Yeah. So that was. Oops, that's not what. Salary. That did not work. Okay, so that does not work. Okay, so this is DF. I haven't. I've been trying to get this. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? There we go. There we go. I have not. I've been just trying to get my homework done. But I do have an advent calendar of puzzles that I did today on stream. That was fun. Okay, increase the salary for each employee by 10%. Perfect. Was that why, actually? Hold on. Was that why? That doesn't work. Okay. There we go. Oh, wait. Hold on. 50,000. Oh no. Yeah, I'm too like I can't focus. I already know I wouldn't be able to focus on it. I'm actually surprised I got as much done today as I did. Hi Neela. Welcome in. How are you? Oh my gosh, I've been hours on. Hey guys, I gotta get going. I gotta get going. So let's do this last one. Um, and then you've got some funny stories. I mean, I wouldn't really call them funny. I would call them traumatic. Concatenate to add rows of. Okay, so we're gonna concatenate one, two. We're gonna do concatenate. We're gonna do we're gonna name it. So df1 equals. Thanks so much for the follow, meal face. I appreciate it. Oh, nice. I know JavaScript, a little bit of React, and Python. And then I do remember a little bit of C, but I would say I am like beginner, barely knows the alphabet for C. Oh, nice, Neelam. I am learning data engineering. Okay, so this is cd dot concat. We're gonna do df1, comma df2. Axis. Okay. There we go. So we should have 8. Have 8, 9. Hold on. Oh wait. No. That's right. That's right. 0, 10. Duh. Okay. So I think we're good right now. We're gonna do. I'm gonna probably come back and finish this on another day. Uh, Hold on. Entry. Why is it you wouldn't do not use in place true? Okay, anyways. Anyways, guys. I seem like I'm very smart. I appreciate that, but I think that's questionable. I think that's questionable a lot of times. I mean, the other day, I forgot parentheses and struggled for a good hour. So, yeah. Okay. So, I have 2 more left. You guys want to see one more? Do you guys want to see one more? One more. I can't even talk right now. Puzzle? You guys want to see one more puzzle? I'm behind by like 7 days. So I think I'm allowed to I can't even talk right now. I think I'm allowed to open another one. What do you guys say? What do you guys say? I think I'm allowed to open another. I think I got a lot done today. So I think I got a lot done today. So this is the one from earlier. Okay. Okay. We're gonna open. We're gonna also. I'm recording on my phone too, to attempt to be like an influencer. Attempt to be. Okay, so. Okay, we're gonna do day 3. It's a puzzle advent calendar. So this was earlier today. This was day 2. So now we're gonna do day 3 of the puzzle advent calendar, and day 3 was right here. So, oops. Well, that didn't work very well. So let's switch this out. Okay. And then let's dash through the snow with reindeer for some holly jolly Christmas shopping. And then these are little ornaments that I can hang on my tree. They're so cute. They have little holes in them. And then we have the puzzle right here. Oh, I think this is a keychain. I think this is a keychain, guys. Okay, so we're gonna do this really, really quickly, and then I'm gonna end stream. I think this is a keychain, guys. You guys can't. Oh, I forgot I had focus mode. And where did my fingers go? That is a good question. Right? My sister-in-law gave it to me. Oh, it's curved. These are curved. Oh my gosh. Okay. Sure. Okay. And then this was a magnet, by the way. So it works pretty well. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely curved. And we're gonna move this so that's hmm. Okay. I don't know how to do this where you guys can see it and okay. I'm gonna have to set up my I'm gonna have to set up my overhead camera at some point too. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, Jimmy. Welcome in, welcome in. Okay. Let's figure this out, guys. This does make me a little nervous, though, that it's going to break. Like, if I were to use it. Okay. Oh, this I think is going to be a little bit tricky. Or not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Yellow. All looks like it. These all look like they're correct. Stream moments. Yes. It's a program I'm part of. I have it on my I actually have the repo on my wow, I can't speak. That doesn't go there. On my GitHub. But the like actual course information, like the problems that they ask, you have to be part of the program to see the problems on the right hand side of my screen. You have to be part of the program to see that. Yeah, I don't know how well this is gonna stay together, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh, it is pin 2. Okay, okay. It is a pin 2 puzzle. Huh. I don't think I did this right. I don't think these are correct. Yeah, this isn't correct. That's not correct. These aren't correct. These aren't correct. This is correct. That's correct. I think this looks more correct than the other one. Yeah. Like if you're talking about the questions, those are behind a login. Oop. Oh my gosh, this is going to be hard. It's going to be really, really, really hard. I think. Or else is it just I'm doing... No, that was definitely in the correct spot. Oh my gosh, these pieces are so little. Okay. Okay, let's try and find this piece. We're looking for green with... Okay, there we go. So there's a green. And there's another green. So maybe if we can get these pieces together. It might work better. Okay. Did I mention I love puzzles, guys? Like, I absolutely love puzzles. I still remember when I was younger, I used to do the same puzzles again and again. Just because I had nowhere to put any of the stuff. So, yeah. Okay. That doesn't... But I think this goes here. Okay. Oh yeah, this definitely works a lot better now that I have the circle top instead of trying to do one. It's pretty solid, guys. It's pretty solid. Okay, except a lot of my pieces have like flipped over. This one. Okay, and then now figure out this. You guys see? I think you guys can see, right? Figure out that. And then there should be another one with yellow. Yeah, so pin 2 is a really nice it's a really nice puzzle brand. Hold on. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Okay. No, that's we'll go to this side then. Maybe not. Maybe we will not go to this side. Huh. Okay. Oh wait, I think this does not go here. I think these two... This does not go here. Where does this go? Go here? No. You go there? Yes, you do? No, you don't look right. These two are switched? I think these two are switched. No? Maybe? So these two look like they would be like this, right? Yeah. But then that doesn't make any sense with how this goes. Like, unless it goes right here. That also doesn't make any sense. Okay, hold on. So we have this. Like this. Okay. And this goes here. And we're looking for another piece that has the corner cut out of it. There's another piece that has the corner cut out of it. Where is it? Where is it? Not this one. Not that. Wait, wait, wait. Wait, wait. Corner cut out of it. Or not, maybe not. Dark brown. Oh, right here. Okay. Okay, so we have this. So what did I do wrong? Something is not correct at this point. Okay, so this one for sure doesn't go there. This goes here. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Yay! Okay, this is absolutely amazing. Like, I love this thing. It's challenging, but it's a ton of fun. But I'm a little, I think this goes up here somewhere. Okay, so this probably goes somewhere like this. No. This one. This one. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so that one. And then we need... Maybe? Maybe? No. Not this. Whoop. Maybe this one? Think so. If not, we'll have to take everything apart. No, I don't think so. Okay, we're gonna go on to the white area. I think the white area is gonna give me a better idea. I think this goes somewhere like this. Like this? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. This goes here. No, it's a little ornament. So it's a little keychain ornament. Hey. Yeah. So it's a 3D, it's a 3D puzzle. Okay, so I think go here. Although me doing this is probably a little questionable on the way I decided to do it. So I know for sure that that is there. Okay, so I think this piece does not actually go here. This piece goes here, right? No. Maybe? No. No. Does not. Okay, so now we're trying to figure out which piece goes where for the brown pieces. I think... Okay, okay, okay. So that one goes there, and I just lost my keychain bit. Hey, 100 times. But I'm not quite sure how to get it tight. Is the question now. You know? It's yeah, it's definitely questionable on how to get this tight now. And get in the last couple of pieces. Okay, okay. Just kidding. Okay, that worked out quite well. Wow, I really like this. I really like this. Oh my gosh, I wasn't recording the entire time. Was I really not recording? Oh, no, 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 I was. Okay, good, good, good. I would have been so sad. I would have been so sad. But yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. I guess definitely check out my Instagram. I might do this not on stream just so I can get actual good footage of it. But yeah, this is so cool, guys. Look at these. So this one has, I don't know what that is actually. Uh, this looks like it's a reindeer, but it looks like it has a credit card on it. And then this one is a magnet with gingerbread riding the carousel. But yeah, moments. If you this work on that work. Oh. Oh, my. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, okay, okay. My YouTube and my. Okay, all of my socials are updated. Okay. Yeah. So that if you go to that one, it has this repo. It's called Code the Dream Homework. But anyways, guys. Anyway, I think that was kind of fun. You guys like the puzzles? You guys like the puzzles? I really enjoyed. I really, really enjoyed the puzzles. Got these two. Oh, actually, this shows up so much better now with my keyboard in the back. There's this one and then this one. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna come back and finish my homework tomorrow. Uh, thanks so much for hanging out, guys. I appreciate it. Definitely follow my Instagram then. I'm gonna try and yeah, I don't think I'm gonna use this unless I seal it with resin, but it's actually pretty it's pretty oh, you can't see it anymore. I'm like trying to show you guys, but it's pretty sturdy. It's pretty sturdy. Like it seems fragile, but same time like it's for what it is, it's pretty sturdy. I probably wouldn't wear this out anyways, but yeah, like fun. Okay, okay, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out. I appreciate it all. You guys are amazing. Have a good night. Bye, guys. Aw, thanks so much. Awesome. I appreciate the sub on YouTube. I am definitely trying to hit 500 subs, so it's very slow going, and then I think I have to hit like 3,000 watch hours. So it's very, very slow going, but I will be back with um my homework. We're getting into the fun stuff now, I think, like the nitty-gritty stuff. Okay. Okay, guys, you're amazing. Have a good night. I appreciate you all. Bye.